Hi everyone, it's Sarah here, the registered acupuncturist at Body TX Massage and Health. I wanted to talk to you today about the three main things I see here at the clinic that I treat, and this is going to be outside of pain. So pain is the big one that everybody thinks about acupuncture and treating. So I want to talk about the three main things you may not have thought about acupuncture in helping you or someone you love with these conditions. So the number one thing I see here is fertility, women's health, and hormone balancing. Okay, so fertility, acupuncture is a great treatment for. It can be used if your condition is known or not known, so whether or not you have a diagnosis like endometriosis or PCOS for causing issues with trouble in conceiving, or the unknown, you just don't know, there's no medical reason as to why you guys are having trouble conceiving. So acupuncture is great. It also works really well in adjunct with other fertility therapies. So if you're going to the fertility clinic, if you're on medication, or if you're doing IUI or IVF, it's a good adjunct. They work really well together, so you don't have to pick and choose which one you want to do. They work really well together. Women's health, like menopause, any hormonal issues, painful periods, PMS, that sort of thing, acupuncture works really good for as well. Okay, the number two thing I see here is neurological conditions. So it could be neuropathy, headaches, migraines, anything that's like pain of the nerves or nervous system. Not necessarily always pain, but maybe numbness or tingling, pinched nerves, sciatica pain, that sort of thing. So that's the number two thing that I see here. And acupuncture is also very effective for it. Number three would be mental health issues. So anxiety, depression, even just stress, that sort of thing. Of course, we don't recommend you to go off your medication. We just work alongside those medications and working with your doctor, or if you're doing any other therapies as well. You can lower the stress response and stop some of those anxious feelings or those panic attacks, that sort of thing. So those are the three main things I see and treat here. If you have any specific questions, I'm always here and available by email at sarah@bodytx.ca. So you can always email me questions if you have any more questions about conditions I can help you with. Okay, thanks.